Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Wix Studio website tutorial. In it, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and interactive website using Wix Studio. And you can get started for completely free. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your browser and you're going to type in Wix Studio and you're going to select the first option. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this website and you're going to tap on Start Creating. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Try Wix Studio. After doing that, I want you to tap on Start Creating right where you see Create a Site. Then from there, you can choose a template and you can see the different templates that you can choose from. You can also type in a particular type of website that you'd want in the search bar in the top right hand corner, or you can go over to the left hand menu option and from there you can use the different categories or the different industries, so depending on the type of website that you want. Now let's say for example I were to select the coming soon page right here. All I would need to do is simply tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you'll now be able to add your own touches to your Wix Studio website. So I'll just be giving it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, we'll continue with this tutorial. So you can see right there, it is up and running. So we'll tap on the X to close the pop-up. And as it is with Wix websites, it's beginner friendly and easy to edit. So for example, you can tap on the header section. Once you have tapped on the header section, you can start editing anything you want. So for example, we could change the text. So instead of it saying ziggy zag, we could tap on edit text and from there I could type in, for example, say Jason Tutorials. So let me do that real quick. And you can see right there. We can also go over to the left hand menu option, and if you would like to edit the home and subscribe icon right here, you can do that also. And scrolling down, instead of it being transparent, you could go over to the right hand menu option and you could change that if you want. And by the way, if we would like to change the background image, we can do that by selecting the current background image or video, better yet, and going over to the right hand column. You could tap on change media. After you have selected change media, you could choose to upload something from your device, or you can select a different video. As you can see the different video options right there. Now let's say for example I were to select this one. So I'll tap on this, then I'll tap on change background, and you can see how it looks right there. And then if you would like to remove these texts or these icons, all you'll need to do is select the image. Then after you have selected the image, you could right click and you could tap on delete. So you can see delete right there and you could delete it. You could also edit this text, so you can select the current text that is there and you can go over to the right hand column and you can edit it in different ways, as you can see here, or you can simply double tap on the text and you could type out whatever you want. So you can see it right there. So I could type in test site. And I could also change the text color by scrolling down from the right hand column, tapping on the color box. You could change the text color to whatever you want. So let's say for example we were to select the text, then I'm going to tap on the color box and we can change it to green and you can see how it looks right there. And by scrolling down you can continue editing. If it is a case that you would like to add an element to your website, for example a text box or a new page or anything like that, you can access those options by going over to the top left hand corner, tapping on the plus, and you can see the different elements right here. So if it is an image, a button, or anything like that, you can simply drag and place it. Let's say we would like to add a button. I could drag and place the button right there. After doing that, we can change the text. So I could tap on change text and I could change the text right there. I can also link it back to something. So let's say I would like to add an external link. I could tap on the link icon and I could tap right where you see, for example, at the moment it will link internally. But if I would like to, for example, link it to an external website, I'll tap on web address and I could paste in the web address right there. If it is a page, you can select page and then from there you could tap on choose page, and you can select any one of the pages from your current website. So that's how you'll be able to interlink, as you can see right there. So let's say I were to select the privacy policy page, then I'll tap on done. So once someone taps on this button, they'll be redirected to the privacy policy page. And if we go over to the top left hand corner and tap on the plus once more, you can see the different sections that you can add, whether you like to add containers, or you like to change the layout, or you like to add a contact form, or your socials. You can do that. You can also use the Wix Studio to create a booking website, or you can also add your community, or you could choose to make it multilingual. So that basically means that a website that will be able to offer different languages. And you can also go over to the left hand menu option, and from there, if you would like to add different pages, you will tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, and you can see the pages that we have on our website at the moment. So if I were to select privacy policy, this is the privacy policy page, and the editing options remain the same. All you need to do is tap on the section you would like to edit, then from there you can start editing it. So you can tap on it, then tap on edit text, and you could type out whatever you want. And to add another page, you can tap on pages in the top left hand corner, then tap on the plus to add new page. Then after doing that, you can tap on add a standard page, or you can choose to add a dynamic page. So let's say, for example, we were to select add dynamic page. You'll give it a few seconds and you can see that it is being added. Then you can tap on add a present, and you can select the layout, whether you like custom, a theme page, or projects page, or a portfolio page, or news page. Let's say we were to select news page, you can tap on add new. Then you'll give it a few seconds while it is being added, as you can see right there. And if we were to go onto the news page, you can see how it looks. And from there, you could edit the different news titles, and you can edit the different images. Once you're finished doing that, you can simply tap on the X, and you can preview how it looks right there. So this is how it looks at the moment, as you can see right there. And if you wanted to add a regular page, you could do that also. You can also change the site style by tapping on the capital A. Once you're finished editing the website to your liking, all you need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. Then you could edit the URL and tap on save and continue. After selecting save and continue, your website will now be live. So if we were to tap on publish once more, then we can tap on view site, and you can view your website. And this is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.